We pick back up the round 1 improved production TAS action with race 3 on the Sunday. Race 3 saw the inclusion of Terry Morling's red RS2000 Escort, while Kyle Smith's coil pack problems from the previous day proved terminal and he was out for the rest of the weekend. Anthony McKenzie also missed race 3 while the team changed coils, hoping to cure the persistent misfire the Escort had been suffering from all weekend. For the first time over the weekend, Richardson lost out to House's BMW at the start, and he was keen to close the gap and get back past the BMW. Perhaps a little too keen. Morling drove through the field to win the under 2 litre class, while Willing had a tyre delaminate and had to retire out of a strong second place. Mary White also had a strong run and impressively got into the 67 second bracket, a fantastic achievement for her first race meeting. Race 4 saw Willing get an absolute demon start from the back of the grid and pass half the field before the first corner. Mackenzie followed him through and he had enough pace to win the under 2 litre category from the rear of the field.
Go down, take the big party off the front, but Scott Willing does zooming through, look at that, he just paraded through the back. If you didn't know that, he didn't jump us up. Well, he didn't because I was watching it, but just in typical all-wheel drive Subaru fashion, got the power down beautifully. He's only not marching forward because he's got some slower cars in front of him. A bit of traffic jammery going on there. He's got past the Escort, now he's out after the big booming black and yellow Commodore, and he's clear of that. So now he's clear of that behind him. Not really starting in optimal position because he's going to start off the back after retiring from the sideline. Well, it's out if he goes. He's going to be better. It's probably the quickest race car's ever driven. A bit like John Duncan in a way. He's towards you and he's getting into
Shane Bond had another trouble-free run in the double points final and managed to set another 56.6 second lap time. Mechanical problems struck 4 out of the 5 escorts. Andrew Mitchell had a noisy gearbox from the previous race and was out for the final. Hayes had some plug leads vibrate off, causing a terrible misfire. Duggan also suffered from a misfire and dropped a spot to Bennett, while Mackenzie's electrical problems returned again and he was another DNF. The problem finally traced to the coil wiring. It was a great first round with 14 cars competing and another 3 that had entered and run the Friday practice day. The over 2 litre results were Shane Bond, Ayrton Richardson and Scott Willing in third. Fieldhouse in the BMW E30 wasn't running for points. The under 2 litre results were Leon Duggan narrowly ahead of Daryl Bennett and a fantastic third for Mary White, her consistency netting a podium result in her first ever race meeting. See you at round 2.